Guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. I am currently on my way to the airport. Basically, I got an invite today for the Google Nigeria event in Lagos, and last year I wasn't in Nigeria, so I missed it. And now that I'm back fully from school, I'm like, I don't want to wait till next year before I go for this event. So last minute I booked my tickets. Like, my account is crying, but obviously this is for a good cause and I'm just really excited to be part of the event. So like I said, I booked my ticket like an hour ago. Thankfully I did my makeup in the morning, so I didn't have to shower or do my makeup or any of that stuff. Lighting here is better. And also, I'm going to be staying with my friend. We are both going for the event tomorrow. The event is tomorrow and Friday. Tomorrow by 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. and Friday by 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. And I have to be back on Saturday because there is a Johnny Walker event in Abuja on Saturday, and I got invited as an influencer, so I have to attend that as well. So I'm super duper excited to take you guys with me. I'm obviously going to be vlogging this, as you can see right now. I am vlogging, and I just cannot contain my excitement. It's like, I'm going to Lagos. Oh my god, it's almost 5:30 and my flight is for 7 o'clock ish, so hopefully I make it. But it's been so hard vlogging in Nigeria. The internet has been crazy, super duper slow, especially in my house area. I'm still searching for a good internet service provider that I could use to, you know, upload my videos, because I mean, I filmed a bit since I got back, been filming here and there, but obviously it's not as consistent as when I was in school. Like, it's not as consistent as Cyprus, so like here it's different. And yeah, so unfortunately this is so impromptu, and I feel like so many people are going to be mad at me for this, for not letting them know on time. But I literally just decided today that I'm going to Lagos. Even my mom was like, but yeah, I'm just excited and I'm talking too much. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to quit rambling and I'll see you guys when I get to the airport. Yeah.
Thank you everyone for staying with us. You've been hearing, listening to some of the aspirants taking the ticket of the People's Democratic Party. For now, maybe one person we know in the APC who wants to be president is the incumbent president, Muhammadu Buhari. So there's been a lot of contestation, a lot of debate as to why does he want to really seek a re-election, and if truly he's going to be the candidate.
Stay with us. On flight 9035 is already for departure. The flight Pennsylvania is stop shop cruising at the altitude of
So hey guys, I just landed in Lagos now. My phone is almost dead. They delayed our flight. So can you reduce the music? Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm currently on my way to my friend's house. I'm going to be staying in a house for 2 days that I'm in Lagos. And I'm so happy to be in Lagos. It's been a while since I was here, like a long as while. And hopefully I get to take you guys with me. I plan to vlog these 2 days that I'm going to go for the event. So yeah, it's dark now. But anyway, I'll see you guys when I get to my friend's house. I'm not sure I'm going to be up to anything serious tonight. I'm just going to probably get something to eat. My face is so oily. Take a hot shower, you know, catch up with my friend and sleep off, because tomorrow I have to be up on time. Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So it's the next day and today is the first day of the Google event. I am currently on my way. As you can see, my makeup is done. Oh, by the way, I'm in Wani's house. I forgot to mention, I'm in Wani's house. She's not following me today but she's going tomorrow. And I'm currently waiting for my Uber to get here. I'm currently wearing this top I got from Shein. It was actually sent to me, and then this skirt from, I think, Boo or ASOS, I'm not really sure. I'm gonna give you guys an up close. I'm breaking out, by the way. Hey guys, so we just got to, what's it called again? We just got to Landmark Center now, and there are a lot of people outside. I'm low-key, I'm so shy, but I'm currently waiting for one of my friends, and then we go in together. So yeah.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine. Ain't got time to do everything you said you
would. It is the Vivian Okezie, queen of edits, queen of everything. Like, look at this beauty.
This wash though.
Grace us with our presence.
This wash though. This wash.
Highlights because it's glistening.
Dreams of the past and the memory of you just come running.
Hi.
Subscriber. Can I take a picture?
Yes, sure.
So yeah, we just met a subscriber. Definitely say hi to Vivian's vlog.
Say you made me come undone. Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
What's your name? I didn't get. Okay, Vivian. You know me.
So what do you say you started?
Hi.
What?
Sure. Hi.
You've done.
What's your name? Hi.
I stand you. Bye.
Bye. Hi. Nice to meet you. What's your name? You just came?
Yes.
Yeah, I just came too. How's it? Oh, thank you. Do you want to say hi? Let's access. Guys, say hi to
Rosemary. Very nice to meet Vivian.
Oh, she's gonna be in the vlog. So what's your favorite video of mine so far?
The one you did the
Oh my god, it's my friend Toby. Yes, she's actually in Lagos. Yes. She didn't really know about the event. Because I made
to come out. No, fine, I just saw you.
like I came last minute, like I just had to come because you know it's once a year, so I'm like, okay, let me just come for it and then thank you, love. Thank you. It was nice to meet you. Bye.
If you don't get 20 people,
Yes.
you give me 4K.
You're an idiot. Only
Yeah, Vivian is the shit. Like, I look up to her when it comes to like editing, when it comes to like so many things. This is so inspiring.
this your wash,
It's
eh?
not even a,
Hey.
I swear to God Almighty, top 3 vloggers, Vivian is #1.
Ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Hey guys, I've not had the time to vlog since I came here. Can you show your... Hey guys. So I've not had the opportunity to vlog since I came here.
Cyprus guys, yeah. Vivian is, hey, he's taking over everywhere. You know where the bet? She's paying me 5K.
I'm not paying you any 5K, but
In
okay.
5 minutes, she had like 20 people walk up to her. Oh, you're Vivian, I can't be.
Why are you lying? Oh my. We were trying to network and like meet people and stuff, and Yinka has been doing most of the work. I just introduced myself like, hi, I'm Vivian Okezie. We spoke to like four
I mean, people that are not just people that we can use. I mean, that's a good thing, though.
yeah, it's actually really nice. So we're still going to go around and see if we can say hi to more people people and network, because that's like the main reason why we're both here. And then I'll catch up with you guys later. You can say bye.
Peace out.
Hi to my baby. You look so beautiful. Thank you. Hi. She's having a meet and greet today, guys. So I know you guys are gonna see this vlog late, but I'm going to put her YouTube channel and her Instagram so you can follow her.
I could show you love, show you look good love. I could show you love, show you plenty love. I could show you love, show you look good love. I could show you love, show you plenty love.
She said she want control. She said she want take over. She said she know what your story.
Hey babe, hey babe.
But I say, keep up with me. No be today, make me try. No time to play. Keep up with me. No be today, make me try. No time to play.
Hey guys.
Hi guys.
What's your name? Say your name.
Hi. Let's go. J Tina.
Oh, so nice to meet them. You girls are so beautiful.
Thank you.
How are you liking the event?
Yeah, it's been great. We came here quite late though.
Yeah, same here. I came really late, like 3. Yeah, like 3 o'clock or 3:30.
So she told me you were coming to and I was like, because I'm not.
I'm not.
I'm sure it is. I just came to Lagos because I actually live in the UK.
Oh,
so I'm
okay.
like, I've been here for a while. I'm like loving it. And yeah.
Lagos is fun if you know your way around. Now, so say hi to Ayo. He's also a YouTuber. Ayo.
Nice to meet you. What are your names?
J-Tina.
Nice to meet you. What's yours? Nice to meet you.
Oh baby, I need your loving. Baby, good loving. Oh baby, I need your loving. Baby, good loving. Say baby, I need your loving. Baby, good loving. Oh baby, I need your loving. Baby, good loving.
I could show you love, show you look good love. I could show you love, show you plenty love. I could show you love, show you look good love. I could show you love, show you plenty love. I could show you love, show you look good love.
Taking over the Okezie channel while she's talking to her subscribers.
I could show you love, show you plenty love. I could show you love, show you look good love. I could show you love, show you plenty love.
Do you want me, baby, no time?
Hi guys, so I just left the event now. It was actually really great because I was able to network with a lot of people, but then unfortunately I only saw Laifa Beauty and I didn't see Adana, I didn't see Dima Umi, so I guess they're coming tomorrow. So now I'm going back home to change and then I don't know what the plan is, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay,
Do you love me, baby, take time. See, I got to know.
Guess what's in Lagos?
Let me know. Got to know. Let me know. Oh baby, I need your loving. Baby, good loving. Oh baby, I need your loving. Baby, good loving.
hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I am currently doing my intro in crust and cream. Wani and I were here for, oh by the way, say hi to Wani.
Hi guys, let's stop it.
So we are currently at crust and cream for breakfast. We're about to have brunch, actually not breakfast, brunch, because it's 4 o'clock.
That's definitely not brunch.
That is brunch din. Anyway, we're here to have brunch din or lunch din or din itself, I don't know. So once we're done eating, we're going to head over to the Google event day 2 and leave Lagos tomorrow. I'm so sad. So Wani has been such a great host. Like, she's been paying for the food and everything, and I'm like, girl, you cute or whatever. Anyway, that's the plan. And my flight is tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock. And by the way, want to plug yourself?
Oh, hi guys. Hi Vivian subscribers. Hey guys, please beg Vivian to teach me how to edit. Like, I'm trying to sign up for a masterclass.
Are you dumb? That's not what we talked about.
But anyway guys, subscribe to my channel. Wani, Aliyu.
Yeah, plug yourself, boo.
Say baby, I need your loving. Baby, good loving. Oh baby, I need your loving. Baby, good loving.
Guys, I think it's so weird that Wani and I's battery are low
like,
at the same time. Like it's so weird. I plugged my camera and I thought it was charging, only for me to unplug it and realize that it was on 20%. I'm not careless. I just wasn't.
So why didn't you double check?
Shut the hell up. I wasn't. What's the word? I'm looking for the word. I wasn't
careful.
Anyamu who did not rule Nala in Igbo.
Some I would have done a chamber. But inside
back to sender. Back to sender. It wasn't to you. It was to me.
What channel that
It's kanchine. It's kanchi. Wallahi talahi. Holy Ghost fire. Pursue them wherever they are. Holy Ghost fire.
You know?
Holy Ghost fire.
What are you saying?
Holy Ghost what?
I will even help see
Holy
this traffic
Ghost
in front.
fire.
Oh baby, I need your love, baby, good love it. Oh baby, I need your love, baby, good love it. Say baby, I need your love, baby, good love it. Oh baby, I need your love, baby, good love it.
I could show you love, good love. I could show you love, plenty love. I could show you love, good love.
Hey guys, so I just landed in Abuja right now and I'm currently on my way home. The time is 9. I am so sleepy, so tired, so stressed, but I'm so happy I was able to go for the Google event. It was such a good experience, and yesterday was super duper rowdy as well. So with everything combined, also I don't know if I've told you guys, but ever since I got back, the amount of stares I get is times 10 of what I get in Cyprus. So I'm still trying to get used to the group, get used to people staring at me. So please bear with me. More vlogs, subsequent vlogs or future vlogs, they'll be better and more, I don't know, interesting for you guys to watch. So yeah, please bear with me.